Unboxing time. What's inside this AI customer service box? I've heard it's a game changer for support teams. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impression, sleek dashboard, modern interface, easy navigation. Setting up was surprisingly quick, just a few clicks. I'm greeted by an AI-powered help desk right away. This isn't your average support tool, it feels smart. Testing the live chat feature, responses are instant. No lag, no waiting, customers get answers immediately. The built-in chatbot handles basic questions flawlessly. It even recognizes complex queries and offers solutions. Automations are fully integrated, no need for extra plugins. I set up ticket routing in minutes, super intuitive. Automated follow-ups keep customers engaged without manual effort. The AI learns from previous conversations. Impressive. It's designed for business owners and support teams alike. E-commerce companies will love the efficiency boost. Let's dive deeper into its core advantages. First, AI-powered help desk automates repetitive tasks. Second, live chat and chatbot deliver instant responses. Third, integrated automations save hours every week. No more juggling multiple platforms. Everything's in one place. I tested a support request, resolved in seconds. The system adapts to different industries seamlessly. Customization options let you match your brand's style. Analytics dashboard tracks response times and satisfaction. You can monitor team performance with detailed reports. Security features keep customer data protected. Mobile access means you're never out of touch. Notifications are instant. No more missed messages. I like how easy it is to train the chatbot. You can upload FAQs and it learns quickly. The platform scales as your business grows. Pricing is transparent, no hidden fees or surprises. Support is available if you need help setting up. I recommend this for anyone tired of manual support. It's especially useful for e-commerce and busy teams. If you want faster resolutions, this is for you. One warning, test automations thoroughly before launch. Ready to streamline your support? Check out AppSumo now. Link in description. Don't miss this exclusive deal. Let me know your thoughts if you try it out.